Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title of today's video, this is going to be a prep and pack with me for vacation. I have a 7:20 flight tomorrow morning, so I'm gonna be up pretty early. I have a whole entire packing list and a bunch of things to do before I am ready for my flight tomorrow. I'm also gonna be filming in Miami, so if you want to see that, stay tuned and definitely subscribe. But other than that, I think we should just get started with this video. I have some stuff piled up over here. I just have my luggage and my carry-on. There's some stuff in the laundry that needs to be washed so I can take it away with me. Okay, it looks crazy, but I think I made a little bit of progress. I laid everything out on my bed. And this is just like bras, underwear, socks, stuff like that. Over here I have my bathing suits, some cover-ups. These are just like everyday plain clothes, a workout set. These are 3 pairs of jean shorts. These are my going out tops for at night. 2 pairs of jeans, 1 pair of leather pants, a comfy shirt, a sweatshirt. These are all my pajamas. These need to go in my carry-on, which there's some stuff over here that also needs to go in my carry-on, like this. There's an outfit for going back on the plane, my camera bag with my electronics that I need to put in. I'm gonna do that tomorrow morning with my computer and all my other phone electronics so I could charge everything tonight. I think these are the shoes that I'm gonna bring for right now. I might add to this in a little bit. Underneath all this is my luggage, but this is what I'm gonna wear on the plane. This is a leather jacket, a sweatshirt, sweatpants, and I'm waiting for 1 shirt that's still in the wash. Now I'm going to just put all of this stuff into the packing cubes that are over there, and I will come back to you guys when it's all ready to be put in my suitcase. I pretty much finished packing. I have my carry-on here with my headphones, 2 books, hair products, my jewelry, and I'm just going to add my computer in here in the morning. Everything in the packing cubes is packed away in here. It literally is like busting at the seams. My camera bag is right here. I'm gonna add that into this bag tomorrow morning as well with my camera and my electronic chargers. And then my outfit's right there.